Okay. All right, so right click. You guys ready? Let me merge these layers. I'm just going to press Command E. That's it. Can you guys look up here, please? Okay, guys. All right, so this is for our, believe it or not, I am doing this for our portal designs. Okay? So I need all eyes this way, please. All eyes. All right, cool. So I've got these random images here, right? Okay? I'm going to make a new layer. I need you looking here. Oh, yeah, he's looking. Okay, that's good. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to press B for brush in Photoshop. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to take Kyle's Happy HB, this one. I like this one. I'm going to crank it up really big. Whoa, that's not how you do it. Let's say 20. Okay? 20? Okay, good. And then we'll just reduce the flow for a bit, okay? All right. So check it out. We're going to come here, and I'm just going to borrow some shapes. That's all you're doing. Yes? Are you going to make them into a vector for me? No. I'm just coming up with, I'm just getting inspirations right now because I think this is a way to push you guys to go, okay? So I'm looking at this image. I'm seeing that. I'm seeing something over here like this. I'm looking at this one up here, and I'm going to borrow maybe this idea, okay? See? I'm borrowing these shapes, right? I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to do something like this. I have no idea. This is so abstract. I'm just borrowing some shapes, okay? And I've got something like that over here. I'm going to borrow this, okay? So there's something over here, and I'm just drawing this, okay? Over here, I'm seeing something like that. Okay, good enough. Cool. And what am I seeing over here? Maybe a shape that goes like this, like that, and then something's on here, okay? And then lastly, I've got this shape with something else, okay? You guys see that? So far, crazy, right? You go, Balian, what has this got to do with the portal design, right? Okay? So watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get my lasso tool. I'm going to take this, press V, and move it, okay? Command D. Okay, I'm going to take lasso again, press L for lasso, grab this, V, move it, and I'm just going to hit it and connect it with something else. Lasso again, V, move it over here. Guys who are watching in class on MS Teams, can you please tell me if somebody's asking a question because I can't see. Lasso again, I'm going to grab this, move it down. Oh, why is that? Oh, I got to press V. Yep, Command D. Deselect. Lasso again, grab this one, V, bring it over here. Maybe move it on this side like that. See how random these are? Lasso again. I got to press V, move it over here. Okay, Command D, deselect. Let's go lasso up here like this, V, move it close to this one, and over here, Command D, lasso again, and then V, bring it down here, okay?
Like my bedroom floor.
Like your bedroom floor, I love it. Woohoo! Okay, so now lasso one more time. V, bring it over here. Okay, and I'm just gonna line it down here. D, Command D, lasso again, and then V to move it, bring it here. Okay, there, Command D. So now watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lock this layer, reduce, guys, I'm talking here, right? Reduce the opacity, okay? Make a new layer over it. Boom, and then this one we lock up, okay? So what you could do now is zoom in and say, what can I take from this? Okay, so watch carefully. B for brush. All right, so I'm gonna come, I'm in the wrong layer, thank you. So check this out. I'm just gonna take things, just for fun. Okay, I'm going to move this, maybe something here, here. I'm just taking my objects, okay? I'm taking this shape, and I'm going to say, you can move this guy now. See, right there, I made a new shape, right there, from that. Brush again. I'm going to come over here and try to make a new shape. Okay, something like that, something here like this. Okay, then I'm going to go V. I can't do V, I have to do lasso because I have two items here, V, and I'm going to move it over there. All right, like that. Command D. Okay, let's go down here now and see what we can borrow from this dude over here. So we got something like this, like that. Here, here, here. Then here, this comes over, that goes like that. I don't know what this is yet. Okay, there. And I'm going to say that's it. Bye-bye to these guys. All right, so what you're doing is you're taking these abstract shapes that you've created and now making new shapes from them. Okay, so I'm going to go lasso again, and I'm going to say, what if I duplicate this? If I hold Option right now, V with Option just duplicates it. I can move it over here. See that? I duplicate it, right? So what you could do, once you bring these kind of together, say to yourself, what can I make again? So lock this layer up, reduce its opacity. Oops, opacity is here. Let's go 50. All right, lock it up. Thank you very much. Okay, so now I'm going to get another color. Let's go in the blue zone, somewhere down here. Okay, so now I'm just going to go brush again on the new layer. Click New. And again, you could do this in any app, right? So look. If you don't have designs, I want you to think abstract like this. Okay? Now, there's a shape right there. Look at that. Command T, rotate it a bit. Look at that. V to move. So here now I created something here for me. Brush, look how cool this is, man. Like I'm just creating these could be steps, right? Look. I could say to myself, these are steps, and this is where my portal is up here, but you got to go through this to get here. So I don't know what these are yet, but these are nice shapes. Look, this is a nice, powerful shape to work from. This is a nice shape here. It had an angle, actually. Let's just go like that. See, I could change my color just a bit here. Now come in here and do stuff like this, right? That's too close to the background. Let's change that. Let's go over here, something like this. Okay, so look, so now I have this shape, that one over here on an angle. I have other ones stepping, right? All right, look how nice that is. I got something going on here. All right, so there's that. See, so now what you could do is block these out in different colors, okay, just for fun. So that's one over there. What can I take from this one on this side? I don't know yet, but look, one. Okay, let's go to pink, man. I miss fuchsia and pink. Let's go here. Okay, look. This is coming down. That's a shape. This is another shape. That's another shape. Nice. These, okay. So what if there's something like protruding all the way down here? Look. What if this one's going this way now? Okay. This could be another item that could potentially people be up here. People can be over here. So notice what I just did. I just made a scale. This to me is a person. This is a person. Like that. Just all you got to do is do this. You're done. That's a person. Right? That gives you a sense of scale. Okay? So now I have these two. I have two designs I could work with right now as a potential stepping stones to my portal, right? You guys see that? Is this too abstract for you guys? Now, this is really cool if you brought images, okay? I'm going to pause this for a second. Watch this. Hang on. Let me pause this. So I went to this site here. I think it's dezine.com. I always get their feeds, right? Check this out. So what I just showed you, you can do with images. Okay, for example, like here I am at dezine.com, right? And what I did is thank you, you already have my email. Great. Okay, let's take this for example, right here. A floating city, supposedly. Okay, so you see that? Twin motion, that's what we're going to learn later anyway. So look at this. So I could come in here and go like this, Command-Shift-4. I could take this right there, right? I just took an image from somebody's work, right? I could look at this one for a second. This is the video I was taking images from. Watch this, okay? So I can come in here, Command-Shift-4. I'm going to take something here. Those are the two images right now. So you continue. This video is beautiful, by the way. So watch. Now I'm here, right? Pause. Command Shift 4. Look, I could take a vertical piece. Command Shift 4 again. I could take a horizontal piece. See that? Right? So later, what you're going to do is go to Photoshop like this. Command Shift 4. Right? Take these shapes to inspire you, because right now I'm not seeing enough work being done, right? So this is a very abstract architectural approach. It's called deconstructivism, right? You take elements from different parts to inspire you, and you make these abstract shapes. And then what you do is you take these shapes into solids, and they become forms. Okay? So look, guys, see this piece here? This piece here? So that piece to me may look something like this. Look. Okay? Look. All right? Look. All right? There. See? That's kind of cool, isn't it? Right? That piece. That's a nice piece, right? I could do a cutout to it here, or I could add some colors, that energy beam where the portal's over there or something, right? I could have pieces that come out, right? I can have pieces that come out of here, and maybe some banners or something. Who knows? Some kind of a banner up here, or a flag, right? Says you reach this area. Does this make sense to you guys, what I'm just doing? Do you want to try it? So bring those pictures in, cut them out, grab some contours, and then visualize them after you make simple shapes like this. Try to make them into 3D parts, okay? Make them into 3D parts. What does that look like? Okay? Look, are we good? All right, let's go.